All right. Hello, Da Vinci Academy. Miss Halverson here. We're ready for our virtual recorded assembly today. Now, as you know, we usually try to do these in the Performing Arts Center each month, but unfortunately with COVID and germs and everything, we're going to take one more month where we do things this way. Hopefully next month we can be back in person because it's really great to see everyone's faces and hear you doing the spark cheer and all that kind of stuff. But for now, we still get to celebrate all of our awesome accomplishments. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to celebrate our friends who have earned positive referrals in the last few weeks. I'm going to start with my kindergarten friends and work all the way up to 5th grade. So if you hear your name, if you want to stand in your classroom, you definitely can, just like we do in the pack. All right, these friends have earned positive referrals. Preston L., Sana F., Jace H., Brooks L., Maverick M., Jack R., Shriram S. In 1st grade, Gavin H. In 4th grade, Marwan A., Zoe B., Isan G., Maddie M., Taylor M., Andrew M., Liliana P., and Daniel S. And in 5th grade, Ali H., Rylan K., Reese M., Bentley R., Holton R., Haley R., Addie S., Asher S., and Jacob W. Congrats to all of our positive referrals for going above and beyond and showing awesome sparks sometime in the last few weeks. You were recognized by your teachers and other adults in the building. All right, moving on to our character quality awards. Our character quality for this past month, was positive attitude. Now, I know there are lots of folks who show positive attitudes at Da Vinci all the time, so I would be willing to bet that this was a pretty hard one to decide for teachers. So we're going to go through our awards for positive attitude, and I have your certificates. I will give them to your teachers, and you can get those from them later today. All right. Starting out with Miss Borg's class in kindergarten. Here we go. All right. This friend is a great example of positive attitude. He always comes to school with a smile and a cheerful good morning. This friend is respectful to the needs and feelings of others. They take pride in their work and takes on challenges in their learning with excitement. Miss Borg loves that this friend is always willing to help and care for the classroom and classmates. Thank you to Jace for showing a positive attitude in all areas of the school. All right, Miss Meddy's class. This student has shown a positive attitude since the first time Miss Meddy met her. She always has a smile on her face and a great attitude. Every time this student has to solve a problem or work through difficult classwork, she does so with a positive attitude and she never ever gives up. Miss Meddy is so proud of the skills and attitude that this student shows, and Miss Meddy knows that these qualities and many more will take this student so far in life and open so many doors and opportunities for her. Way to go, Hadley! All right, from Miss Brown's class. This friend always displays a positive attitude, even when something is challenging. He never gives up and always tries his best. He also helps clean up the classroom and help others without complaining. This friend's positive attitude is contagious and reminds others to be positive as well. Keep it up, Rowie! All right, and from Miss Holly's class. In Miss Holly's class, they talked about positive attitude as trying your best with a smile on your face, even when things are hard or maybe not interesting to you. This friend comes to school every day ready to learn with a pep in their step and a smile. Miss Holly knows that she can give this friend any task and they will always come at it with a positive attitude. Miss Holly is very proud of this student for being an awesome example of positive attitude in their class. Congratulations to Everett! All right, and last but not least in kindergarten, Miss Hirsch's class. Miss Hirsch says, this friend is very thoughtful towards their friends and does their best to be kind to everyone. They come to school each day ready to learn and try new things. This friend takes great care of the classroom and the toys and tools in it. Thank you for always having a positive attitude and way to go, Franklin. All right, now first grade. Here we go, from Miss Niece's class. When our class thinks of someone who always has a positive attitude, they think of this friend. This friend is a bright light that always comes in with a great attitude. They cheer on others, they're helpful, and they follow their dreams. Let's see. Keep up the amazing work, and we are so happy that this friend shares their positivity with the class. Congratulations to Hannah. All right, in Miss Murphy's class, this friend shows a positive attitude every day. They are up for anything with a smile on their face. Even when they're challenged, this friend is working hard and proud of their work. Their classmates feel respected and appreciated thanks to their kind words and friendship. Congratulations to Amal. And now Miss Manella's class. This friend does a wonderful job showing a positive attitude. They show a growth mindset when things get difficult in class, and they always try their best on assignments. They also don't complain when we have a schedule change or things don't work out exactly as we expected. This friend's influence and positive words also help remind their classmates to have a positive attitude as well. Keep up the great work, Adam! All right, and last but not least, in first grade, we have Miss Smith's class. Miss Smith says, this friend is my choice for positive attitude because she knows that they work hard to have a growth mindset. It hasn't always been easy for this friend to manage their frustrations or worries, but they have gotten so much stronger this year at being able to get themselves into the green zone so they can do their best while they're in school. Miss Smith is proud of how this student chooses to make the most of their days by having a positive attitude. Congratulations to Jackson! All right, second grade. Miss Marta's class. This friend is a shining example of positive attitude at Da Vinci. This student arrives at school ready to learn and maintains a positive attitude all day. They don't let challenges discourage them, and they're always up for something new. Thank you for sharing your smile and positive attitude with us. Congratulations to Nawang. All right, Miss Ryder's class. Miss Ryder says, she is nominating this very special student because they always come to school with a smile on their face and are ready to learn. They show her that they have a positive attitude by having their materials ready and giving them a thumbs up when they are ready to go. Even when something is challenging, they still try and will say, I tried my best, even though it was hard. Miss Ryder says she appreciates this student so much for always being willing to try things even when it is not their favorite thing to do. They are a true leader when it comes to showing positivity. Congratulations to Tanvi. All right, Miss Parzik's class. This student faces whatever comes their way with a positive attitude. They take their time when completing their work because they set high standards for themselves. This person is a positive friend to all. They will always greet you with a smile. They never give up, even when it gets hard. This friend tries their best no matter the task. With their positive attitude, they can do anything they put their mind to. We are lucky to have this friend in class. Congratulations to Bella. All right, and in Miss Malick's class, Miss Malick says, this friend is a perfect example of positive attitude. They approach everything with determination and a smile on their face. This friend demonstrates growth mindset by always being willing to try their best, even when things are challenging. They stay positive and ask for help when needed. Their happiness and zest for learning is contagious, and when this friend smiles, Miss Malick says she smiles right along with this friend. Thank you for always having a positive attitude about school and learning. Keep up the great work, Nawal. All right, third grade. All right, here we go. From Miss Boreen's class. This student that Miss Boreen nominated consistently shows a positive attitude in the classroom. Miss Boreen says she can always find this friend working hard and trying their best no matter what. They never get down on themselves when they need to try something again and always has a positive attitude about anything we are working on or doing. Keep up the hard work, Lydia. All right, Miss Spangenberg's class. This friend comes to school each day with a smile and brings a positive attitude to all that they do. Whether being challenged or encouraging others, Miss Spangenberg says she can always count on this student to be a ray of positivity. Keep up the great work, Jeremiah. All right, in Miss Schofield's class. This friend is a wonderful example of positive attitude. You can always find them walking around with a smile on their face. They're friendly to everyone, and no matter how difficult a task is, this friend is always up for the challenge. This friend can make the best out of any situation. Thank you for adding so much positivity to our classroom, and keep up the great work, Ben. All right, and Miss Morgan's class. Miss Morgan says, when she thinks about a student who shows a positive attitude at school, this student comes to mind right away. This friend comes to school every day ready to learn and is excited to share their ideas. They work hard in class and they show kindness to all of their classmates. This friend's positivity makes everyone's day better. Way to go, George! All right, fourth grade. Here we go. Miss Quaylen's class. Miss Quaylen says, she is nominating this friend for the Positive Attitude Award because they're always showing positivity in our classroom. They're always in a joyful spirit, and it spreads to the other kids in the class. This friend never fails to have a smile on their face. We are so happy to have them in our classroom. Congratulations to Avery. All right, Miss Gorsuch's class. Miss Gorsuch says, this friend shows a positive attitude in everything they do. They work through any harder assignment with positivity and they never give up. This friend radiates positivity in the classroom and helps to keep other students feel positive about themselves. They always encourage others in the classroom and has a positive disposition with every assignment and task. Thank you to this friend for being a positive light in our classroom. Congratulations to Sawyer Rose. All right, Miss Baker's room. Miss Baker says, this friend is always looking at everything with a positive perspective. They face challenges and problems with the mindset to solve or overcome them. They have incredible perseverance and advocate for themselves and their classmates. This friend helps their classmates see the experiences positively and encourages and leads with positivity. This friend is a wonderful member of the classroom, and Miss Baker is so proud of them. Congratulations to Allie. All right, Miss Hansen's fourth grade class. This friend is always willing to try her best and works hard every day. She helps in the classroom to make sure it runs smoothly, as well as helping others in class. She tries to cheer on other classmates when they are struggling and to help them stay positive. This friend is a great role model and a leader in our classroom. Congratulations to Lalita. All right, Miss Klossing's class. We are on fifth grade. All right. And here we go, Miss Klossing's class. This friend shows positive attitude every day, even when things might not be so positive. Their energy is contagious, and they always make Miss Klossing happy when they are happy. A perfect example of this is when we play music in the morning, and this friend is always the first to get up and dance. It brings so much light and joy into our classroom, and we all love seeing them dance. This friend is a wonderful student with a great positive attitude. Congratulations to Josh. All right, Miss Myers' class. This friend is the ultimate positive person in our class. They go out of their way to cheer people up with their drawings and jokes. They take everything in stride, but is also realistic in their expectations in life. They work very hard to keep positive in all situations. Way to go, Emma. All right, Miss Kitt's class. This friend demonstrates their positive attitude in both their schoolwork and their interaction with their peers. Whenever they're faced with a challenging task, they always try their best without complaint, negative comments, or giving up. This friend frequently shows positivity to their friends and works to spread joy and happiness. Their positive mental outlook expands to those around them. Congratulations to Denver. All right, and last but not least in fifth grade, we have Miss Finnerty's class. This student encompasses everything it means to have a positive attitude. They show this through their kind and encouraging words and actions. They're the first to cheer on their classmates and look on the bright side of every situation. Their optimism inspires others. Great job, Ariana. All right, and last but not least, our Renaissance classes. First in Miss Dalsky's class. When thinking of a student who consistently models a positive attitude, this student immediately comes to mind. They can be counted on to help whenever needed, with a smile on their face, to maintain a growth mindset when tackling challenges, and work as a team player by supporting others and cheering them on. This friend is an absolute ray of sunshine in the class, and Miss Dalsky is so glad to have this student and their positive attitude in class every day. Congratulations to Naomi. All right, and our last one today is from Miss Arbaletta's class. Miss Arboletta says, this friend meets every day with a positive attitude and a smile. They work hard and they do their best, never giving up even when things get challenging. They're always there to cheer on a classmate or to share in someone's excitement. Thank you to this friend for always bringing joy and positivity in our classroom. Congratulations to Tegan. All right, great job to all of our Character Quality Award winners this month. So many teachers said so many of the same things, that they have a positive attitude, that they don't give up, they're kind to others, they cheer on other people. We heard that over and over today, so that's something that we really want to see all the time when we're showing Spark. Now, our character trait for next month is success. So we want to work really hard on showing success at all times at Da Vinci. Now, success, a lot of times we think, oh, it just means getting good grades or like being a really good student. And that's certainly a part of it. But success is just being our best at all times. It can mean success with our behavior, success with our learning, anything in and around the school, just being our best. And notice I said our best, not the best. Doesn't mean it's not a competition. It's just being the best you that you can. And the best you might look different than the best that your neighbor does, and that's okay. But being your personal best every single day. So let's watch for that this next month. Couple quick announcements before I let you go. First of all, our fish tank is on the first floor near the elevators where it always is, and we are working on filling that up again. We are in the process of figuring out our next reward that we want to earn, but we can't earn it until the fish tank is full. So if you have Spark tickets and you want to dump them in there, with your teacher's permission, of course, you are welcome to bring those down. It's about half full right now, so we've got a little ways to go yet. Second of all, Spark drawings this week on Friday are going to look just a little bit different. Instead of happening during lunch, Spark drawings are going to happen at the end of the day on Friday, and they will happen in your classroom. Your teacher will have more information for you later in the week, and teachers, I will share that information with you later in the week. But just know that they will not happen during lunch on Friday. They will happen in your classroom on Friday afternoon near the end of the day. So they'll still happen, just look a little different. All right, my friends, have a fabulous day. Thank you for listening. Congrats to all of our award winners, and I can't wait to see you next month, hopefully in person and all in the pack so I can see your fabulous faces. All right, have a great rest of your day. Thanks for listening.